and welcome to this edition of EMS Now Up Close. I am Eric Miskell with EMS Now, and it's my pleasure today to be speaking with FC Lim. FC is the head of the South Asia region for ViTrox's Corporation, headquartered out of Malaysia. FC, it's a pleasure to meet you. I know I spoke to your colleague Zi Yang a few months ago, had a chance to interview him. It was very informative. And so I'm glad for the chance to speak to you today. Since we've never spoken before, why don't I ask you to start by introducing yourself and what your role is at ViTrox?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks, Eric. It's my pleasure to speak here as well. So thank you. So let me introduce myself. I'm FC Lim. Okay, so you can call me FC. So it's easy to pronounce. Okay, so I'm working in ViTrox, and I'm work as the head of the regional for South Asia in ViTrox. So I'm in ViTrox for about 6 years in SMT business. So our department, our business unit name, we normally would call it as ABI business unit. So it's automated board inspection.
Okay. Very good. But since you told me before, I'll mention it. You also had been with ViTrox previously for 10 years, but on the semiconductor side.
Yes, you are right.
Okay. So you have quite a history with ViTrox, is that so? Now today I wanted to talk to you about two particular topics that were different than what I talked to Zi Yang about. And that is your M2M, your machine-to-machine connectivity, and also your Advanced Robotic Vision solution. And so let's take those maybe one at a time here and start with the M2M connectivity. Why don't you explain how ViTrox has M2M connectivity? And I think there's two levels, right? There's one is between ViTrox machines, and then there's between ViTrox machines and other machines on the line, right?
Yes, you are right. So, for example, like we talk about the M2M for our ViTrox machine, because for ViTrox we have the full line solution for the SMT line. We will start our inspection system from SPI, pre-reflow AOI, post-reflow AOI, and we will have the back end at this AXI. So it's automated X-ray inspection. Then followed by we have another end product, what we call as ARV. Okay, it is for conformal coding plus final inspection. Okay, so for this M2M in this SMT line, okay, for ViTrox product, we will have our SPI pre-reflow AOI, post-reflow AOI, and AXI inspection result to pull into the database. So during the during the inspection, for example, like in the AXI inspection, okay, so the user, they can see this one view. Okay, they can see all these inspection result or the images from SPI, pre-reflow AOI, and post-reflow AOI. Okay, so if let's say the pre-reflow AOI, post-reflow AOI show positive, means everything passed, the component is there, and in the AXI, the component is missing. Okay, so it means that, okay, there are some problem maybe during some handling or some other process. So this may help the customers. They can find out where it goes wrong, so they can solve all these issues. They can prevent all these issues. Okay, so this is from ViTrox. So if let's say we talk about the M2M for the whole SMT line, okay, from screen printer go until the end, maybe AXI machine. So we have our SPI, we have the feedback feature, we'll have the feedback feature to the screen printer. Then of course, after screen printer, we'll have the pick and place mounter. Then we will have this pre-reflow AOI to feedback to pick and place mounter. Okay, so this is the feedback function that we we have in our ViTrox ViTrox system. Okay, so what this actually doing for SPI, what it can actually feedback. So we can feedback to screen printer like the stencil is offset. Okay, need to do some cleaning because always print insufficient solder. Okay, so this is the feedback from our SPI machine, and also of course with our pre-refill AOI, we will feedback to the pick and place machine. But it's not every brand. We have a few brands that we have collaborated before, so we can communicate with this pick and place machine. Okay, so we will tell them that the offset of the components like X, Y from the mounter. So maybe this will tell maybe we will collect like about 7 board data. So it always offset. Then we will feedback to the pick and place and let them know. Okay, this component is always offset. So the user or the customer they will know what action to do. Okay, to solve all this problem, or else this will become a very high cost base to the customer repair cost.
Yeah. Can I ask just to jump in real quick, FC, when you gather that information, and there's a lot of data gathered on SMT lines these days, right? And it's really the magic is figuring out what data is important and what data to use to solve specific problems. Is this then within the solution, it has pre-programmed data sets and kind of, or do you customize it for the customers? How do you do that? Do you have kind of set solutions and you say, if this is what the data is stating, like you were saying, then maybe it's off and we need to adjust?
Okay, because from our ViTrox machines, we are the vision inspection machine. So when we inspect, then we will know that the component offset, how much it actually offset for X and Y. So all will be in my micron level. Okay, so if let's say assuming that this chip capacitor keep on offset at X location for maybe 250 micron. Okay, then we will feedback to pick and place and let them know this location and this component X position always offset for 250 micron. So this will tell the pick and place, and the pick and place will either do auto adjustment, or this will trigger alarm to have this customer to solve this problem.
Yeah. And does that happen in real time then?
Yes. It's I cannot tell 100% real time because we cannot every single board to feedback to pick and place. Okay, so we will collect like 7 boards, then we will feedback. Because sometimes it's just only one component, only one time, so we cannot always adjust it.
Gotcha. Okay, that makes sense. So, and this can then also be monitored real time from anywhere, and essentially, right? So somebody doesn't necessarily have to be sitting on the line monitoring the equipment. They could be doing this remotely.
Yes. Okay, we will have the tools like what we call as V1. We will have these tools to monitor it. Okay,
and that provides then the customer. Perfect. And then as far as you mentioned the ARV as we're going through that, and that's interesting. Tell me about the ARV, and it's for conformal coating and final inspection machines, right?
Yes. Okay, so for ARV, we have this conformal coating and final inspection. Of course, we have one more lighting here is the combination of conformal coating and final inspection. So it'll be 2 in 1. So it depends on the customer needs. Okay, so we will choose the right solution to all our customers. Okay, so for this ARV, it's actually not like the normal AOI or SPI. It actually comes with robotic arms. Okay, the robotic arm is actually carry on this camera lighting head. Okay, and another option is for coating thickness measurement. Okay, so why we choose a robotic arm is because this robotic arm is actually can move for 6 axis. Okay, so 6 axis and with angle, because we talk about final inspection. Final inspection normally will have the manual insert components. It normally will be tall components. So we need to have the site inspection. So this would be very flexible to inspect all these tall components from our V9i. Okay.
Now, is that the machine is not in line though? This is an offline setup?
For this V9i, we can do it like inline or offline. Actually, both. It is very flexible to customers, because this machine actually also come with 4 wheels. They can actually move around. Okay. So we can put it in inline, and if let's say this machine put it in inline for conformal coating inspection, you actually the customer actually can save a lot of space for the machine, because the line is become longer. If let's say you have another AOI to inspect this conformal coating, so this V9i is actually, you can share the conveyor. You can share the conveyor in the SMT line. Okay, then you just put at the side of this conveyor to do the inspection. So the line will not become the line will not so long if compared to if you are using the normal AOI. You need to have the board to travel into to the machine for the inspection.
And are there any size limitations on the boards that you can run through the machine?
Of course, actually, for this V9i, we have the standard size, and we also have the XL size. So of course, if let's say the customer they have the bigger board, like more than 550 millimeters, okay, they can choose the option for the XL model. So we can support more than 550 millimeters.
Okay. And then tell me, so the customers who are using this, what are the benefits that they realize from using this type of a machine?
Okay, sure. So I will go through two parts. One is for conformal coating and one for final inspection. So first, for conformal coating. Conformal coating, we will have this coating splash inspection, bubbles, okay, then foreign object like foreign material, okay, coating scratch, missing coat or no coat, okay. So of course, we have this option for measurement, the coating measurement, the thickness measurement. So we can inspect for insufficient or excess coating. Okay. So this is not the normal operator they can like see from their naked eye. Okay. So we need to have certain tools to do this measurement. Okay, so this is for conformal coating inspection. Then another one is for final inspection. Final inspection, we can run and inspect for this polarity, because manual insert sometimes the component is wrong orientation, then absent, present, knock off, misalignment, foreign material, okay, connectors, of course, OCR, optical character recognition, barcode, labeling. Yeah, so we can have all these all these defect inspection from our V9i final inspection. Of course, sometimes we will face like the customer, they will have like 2 layer of PCB board. Okay, so in the middle they will have the screw to screw it, right? So yeah, we will have this angle. Robotic will turn to the angle to do the site inspection as well. Yeah. So in order to do this inspection, and we will provide a very comprehensive inspection to the customers.
Okay, that makes. And what is the programming? Is this as far as the programming to program the machine for a particular configuration? Is that all done at the outset when you're configuring the line and doing your programming, or does it take a little extra?
Okay, so for this V9I inspection, it actually what I can say is very simple programming for this V9I, because it actually learning based, it actually has this learning based algorithm. Okay, it will have the rule based algorithm for component inspection. So normally what we request for the programming learning, we will have we will request the customer to have maybe at least 5 bots, 5 golden bots or 5 good bots for learning. Okay, so after this learning, then we will test run and see whether we need to do any fine tuning from the system. Then after the fine tuning, then we will start the production run.
Okay. And all of the information, so the one view oversees all of this, as you said, right? The one view program. And obviously there's artificial AI in there, right? Processing, and you have the algorithm scheduled. So what to watch for and what would be in range and out of range, I would imagine.
The one view, actually one view is another software for us to actually keep all these inspection images. Yes.
Right.
So
and
we
that's
can
what I
view
mean.
it back.
Yeah. And but one view, it will include the ARV, right?
The one view is only for SPI, pre-reflow AY, post-reflow AR, and AXI.
Oh,
so
okay.
Currently we are still not include this ARV yet.
Okay. So stay tuned, maybe in the future. So, okay.
Yeah, hopefully we can come up these solutions soon.
Yeah, no. And I'm sorry, I thought I had heard you said that it did include all the way through. So my mistake on that one. And are there particular, it strikes me that with the ARV, that's really kind of, it's really the mechanical assembly, right? Is that smaller form factor kind of mechanical assembly parts that are being done there?
Mechanical assembly, maybe let me take an example. Okay, so
Please.
for the final inspection on board level, after the board level, some customer, they will do this box build. Box build means all these boards, they will install into the box before they screw it, screw everything, and seal the box. So yes, we will have this box build inspection as well. So maybe after the box build, then we also have the box build inspection, like the wording, printing quality, the printing quality, screw. Maybe sometimes the operator, they use the wrong screw. The screw is not tightened. Okay, maybe put the wrong connectors. Okay, so all this can be inspected under this V9I or the ARV final inspection machine.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense. So tell me, for the audience and people who are seeing this and hearing you explain these machines, if somebody wants to come to and see the actual machine and get a demonstration, I'm assuming you'll be at some trade shows this fall. Where can people go to meet with ViTrox?
Yeah, sure. So for the recent one, for the upcoming one, we will have this production in Munich, in Germany. So yeah, if anyone interested to know more about ViTrox products, you can visit to our booth in Munich, in Germany. So we will have our ViTrox regional head of Europe. He'll be there, and of course, other than him, we also have a few team members to support the team in the booth as well. So just look for them. I believe all of them will give you a very detailed explanation on all our products.
Very good, very good. Well, FC, it's been very good to meet you, to hear from you. It sounds like a very good solution you have to offer there. I know that for the audience, as those who are watching and wish to connect, Productronica sounds like it's the next opportunity. So please do that, and then maybe at Apex next year in here in North America, you would be there as well.
Yes, you're right. Yeah. In Apex, yeah, we will participate in Apex in 2024 next year.
Yeah.
Of course, we normally we will participate quite a lot of exhibition other than Apex, Productronica, maybe like NetCon. Yep, you can see us in NetCon as well.
Good. Very good. Well, FC, thank you for your time today. It's been a pleasure getting to know you, and hopefully we can do this again sometime and hear more about the ViTrox solutions.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks, Eric, and nice to talk to you too. Yeah, and hopefully in next time we will have more new technology for sharing.
Very good. We look forward to it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.